Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my thoughts on the Salta egg steamer. I have always been a fan of the Salta brand. The products have passed the test of longevity in my kitchen. I've had the Salta kitchen scales for years now and they're still going strong. They're very reliable and accurate. So I have very high hopes for this egg steamer. And now for the start of the show, the Salta egg steamer. This nifty little gadget can poach and boil eggs with ease. No more fussing with pots and pans or worrying about whether your eggs will turn out perfectly. With this egg steamer, you can get your eggs just the way you like them, soft, medium or hard boiled. So here we have a 6 egg capacity and 2 egg poachers. We also have a measuring cup, so you can actually boil 6 eggs at a time and they'll be perfect every time. So let's see what it looks like. So it looks like it's a very small and sleek design. Everything has come individually packed nicely. I think we have a small measuring cup here so we can measure the water that goes at the bottom of the steamer. Next we have 2 reasonably sized egg poachers, and here we have the basket where the eggs sit. So I'm just going to give everything a wash and put it to a test. So first up, I'm going to boil some eggs. I'm going to follow the instructions on the leaflet. So I'm going to boil 4 eggs and I do want them hard boiled for my egg sandwiches. So I'm going to add around 50 ml of water at the bottom of this egg steamer. At the back of the measuring cup we've got like an egg piecer, so I'm going to poke a little hole into each egg. This stops them from cracking or exploding. And now I'm going to simply close the lid and press start. So I don't have to hover over this, it's going to switch itself off when the eggs are ready. So for hard-boiled eggs, the appliance switches itself off. This took around 8 minutes. If I wanted softer medium eggs, I'd have taken these out a little bit earlier. So in a few minutes, the light is switched off and the eggs are ready. I'm going to run them under a cold tap and start peeling them. Meanwhile, I'm going to poach 2 eggs, so I've got around 50 ml of water to put at the bottom of the egg steamer. I'm just going to slightly oil the bottom of the egg poachers, and then I'm going to add 1 egg at a time into the egg poachers. I'm going to place them on top of the egg basket like so. And I'm just going to put the lid on there and follow the instructions on the leaflet. How soft or hard you want your eggs depends on the time you leave these in here. Meanwhile, I'm going to crack the eggs open. I think this is the perfect product because let's be real, poaching eggs the old-fashioned way can be a real nightmare. You've got to get the water to the right temperature, you've got to add vinegar, create that whirlpool and hope for the best. And as for boiled eggs, I always forget when I need to take them out. I feel as if eggs is just a game of luck. You can either make the perfect eggs or you can't. For me, I can never get them right. And that's why I'm so excited to be in possession of one of these egg steamers. I have to say this egg steamer has really simplified my egg cooking game. It's efficient, easy to use and easy to clean up. And I love the fact that I'll be having a lot more protein in my diet because eggs are so easy to make now. If you're tired of the hassle of boiling and poaching eggs the traditional way, I highly recommend you give this product a try. So I'm about to make the most creamy and delicious egg sandwich. My mum said it's never just an egg sandwich with you, is it? You always have to go that extra mile. I don't think this is extra, I just think this is the perfect way of making the most creamy and delicious egg sandwiches. If you haven't tried to make an egg sandwich this way, you are missing out. This method takes your egg sandwich from good to top tier and elite. And we are done. I'm just going to assemble that sandwich, and the poached eggs are also done now. So I have got some mixed seed sourdough bread here to make my sandwich that extra bit healthy. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more reviews and delicious recipes. Happy cooking everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.